Okay, I want to show you how this self-watering dog bowl works and how I've used them. I've got a piece of wood here screwed in, and then my bowl is screwed into the other piece of wood. And what this does, it allows me to get into the mechanism and or turn it over, take it apart, clean it, dump it out, things like that. But the way this goes on, there's just a little rubber seal here, and it comes with this built-in wrench. It's really kind of cool. And you just put that on there, get it snugged up, get it kind of in the orientation you want, and then you can just use that wrench. And then another super cool feature is on this end. It's got like a rubber quick disconnect. So I'm going to put this on my faucet. Okay, so what's really cool is that little quick disconnect. I just put it right on there. And then I'm going to run this hose back here behind and then quick connect it up. And then when I turn this on, you can see when I open this valve, you can see water will start flowing in there like that. Oh, and I have that bent a little bit, so it was rubbing against the back. But now it's going to fill right up for me. And then another thing I'll say about this whole project is I've had that dog bowl in the past. No good. Leaks, went staining on me. I just bought 2 more of these new ones and hooked them up, and they were on all night long and not leaking. And then you can see over here in this kennel, this is one I bought a couple of months ago, and I need to clean it out, but it works, operates just fine, no leaks, and the dog loves it. Nope. So now we'll get that full and close this down. Like I said, they're stainless steel, and they work well enough that I bought 3 of them. So definitely recommend this product. This is how we've got them all set up, and we're good to go.